Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to verify bank account in Etsy. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Etsy, I need you to click the register option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, verifying your bank account on Etsy is an important step for sellers who want to receive payments for their sales on the platforms because, obviously, verifying your bank account allows Etsy to securely process payments for orders you're fulfilling through the platform. Without verification, Etsy may not be able to transfer funds to your bank account. Now, you, as a buyer in this case, you all you have to do is go to the upper right corner of your profile and go to the account settings. Once you are here, all right, all you're gonna do is go to the credit card sections. This is where you can add your or verify your bank account. As you can see, it's only possible to add a new credit card during checkout, which is I am going to click on this button here. All right, so I'm going to purchase right now. Now, for example, this pillow right here, it's $17.40. All I'm going to do is go to the product itself. I just have to undergo some verification here. Okay, and then after that, you might want to select a color. For example, I like it black. Or maybe no, I'm gonna choose maybe red. Select a size, I don't know. Okay, and click on the buy it now option. Right. What about I put in something like this one and buy it now option. Let me click on it because from here, of course, you can simply continue to the payment, and after the payment. Now, once you are here, obviously you need to fill in as much as information as you can. This is where you can verify your bank account. As you can see, you can pay with PayPal, pay with Google Pay, and you can redeem a gift card or Etsy credit. Once you've done that, you see, you have the card right here. Obviously, when you select the card, you would be given to the verification process wherein they would ask your bank account information. And after that, you would be able to do it successfully here on the Etsy platform. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.